Accounting, just saying the word can make some people shudder, while others might nod knowingly, as if they've just been let in on a secret. But here's the thing, accounting isn't just a dry subject filled with numbers and ledgers, it's the very language that businesses speak. It's the foundation upon which financial decisions are made, and it's a crucial tool that helps us understand the health and direction of a company. So, let's dive into why accounting is considered the language of business and how it impacts all of us, whether we're entrepreneurs, employees, or even just consumers. First off, let's talk about communication. In any relationship, clear communication is essential, right? Well, businesses are no different. Accounting provides a common language for communicating financial information. Think of it as the universal translator in the world of business. It uses standardized terms and concepts, allowing companies to share their financial stories with a variety of stakeholders. Whether it's investors looking to gauge the potential return on their investment, creditors assessing whether to lend money, or management making strategic decisions, accounting ensures everyone is on the same page. Without it, we'd be lost in a sea of confusion, trying to decipher what a company's financial health really looks like. Now, let's dig deeper into what accounting actually does. One of its most important functions is providing a historical record of a company's financial performance. Imagine trying to navigate a ship without a map or compass. That's what it's like for businesses without accounting records. These records track financial transactions over time, giving stakeholders a clear view of how a company has performed in the past. This historical perspective is invaluable when it comes to making predictions about future performance. It's like looking at a weather forecast. You wouldn't just guess if it's going to rain tomorrow. You look at the patterns from the past to make an informed decision. But accounting isn't just about looking back, it's also about looking forward. One of the most powerful aspects of accounting is its ability to help businesses make informed decisions. Picture this, a company is considering launching a new product. Before they dive in, they need to know if they can afford it, if there's enough demand, and what the potential return on investment might be. By analyzing financial statements, like income statements and cash flow statements, management can determine whether the company is generating enough profit to cover costs and invest in new opportunities. It's like having a financial GPS that helps navigate the road ahead. And let's not forget about the regulatory side of things. In today's business landscape, compliance is more important than ever. Regulatory organizations, like the Securities and Exchange Commission, set strict accounting standards that companies must follow. These standards ensure that financial information is reported accurately and in a timely manner. It's not just about following the rules, it's about building trust with stakeholders. When investors and creditors see that a company is compliant and transparent, they're more likely to feel confident in their decisions. Now, while we're on the topic of confidence, let's discuss how accounting helps businesses attract investors and creditors. Financial data is often the first thing potential investors or lenders look at when considering whether to invest in or lend money to a company. It's like a first date. You want to present your best self. By providing accurate and timely financial information, businesses can showcase their strengths and make themselves more attractive to those looking to invest. It's a critical part of the business relationship that can lead to growth and new opportunities. But accounting doesn't just help attract investment, it also plays a vital role in identifying areas of inefficiency. By analyzing financial data, businesses can pinpoint where they might be overspending or where resources aren't being used effectively. Imagine a company that's pouring money into a marketing campaign that just isn't delivering results. By examining the numbers, they can make informed decisions to cut back on what's not working and redirect those funds to more effective strategies. It's all about optimizing performance and ensuring that every dollar spent is working hard for the business. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the insights that accounting provides into a company's strengths and weaknesses. Financial data can reveal so much about a business's performance. For instance, if a company is consistently generating high revenues but also racking up significant expenses, that might indicate a need for a strategic overhaul. Conversely, if profits are growing steadily, it might be time to consider expansion. Accounting gives businesses the tools they need to assess their current standing and make strategic decisions about their future direction. And speaking of the future, budgeting and planning are key areas where accounting shines. By examining past performance and predicting future revenues and expenses, businesses can set realistic budgets and strategic plans. This allows them to allocate resources effectively and plan for future growth. It's like plotting a course on a map. Without a solid plan, you might find yourself lost or heading in the wrong direction. Accounting provides the roadmap that guides businesses toward their goals. Now, let's not overlook the critical aspect of risk management. Every business faces financial risks, whether it's related to cash flow, debt levels, or operational costs. Accounting helps identify these risks before they become major problems. By tracking financial transactions and analyzing data, companies can spot potential issues and take proactive steps to mitigate them. It's a bit like having a smoke detector in your home and alerts you to potential dangers before they escalate, allowing you to address them before they turn into a full-blown crisis. So, as we wrap up, let's reflect on the role of accounting in the business world. It's more than just a set of numbers, it's the language through which businesses communicate, measure performance, plan for the future, comply with regulations, attract investment, and manage risks. It's a vital tool that enables stakeholders, whether they're investors, employees, or regulators, to make informed decisions. In a world where information is power, accounting is the key that unlocks the door to understanding a company's financial health. In short, accounting is indeed the language of business. It provides clarity in a complex world, helps us navigate the financial landscape, and ultimately empowers us to make better decisions. So, the next time you hear someone mention accounting, remember that it's not just about numbers, it's about the stories those numbers tell and the impact they have on the world of business. Let's embrace this language, engage with it, and use it to drive our businesses and our lives forward.